Hi, I'm Ed the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, and I'm here to demonstrate how to make a B-52 shot. Now this is a layered shot, and it has coffee liqueur, Amaretto, and Irish cream. You can use Kahlua, Bailey's, and Amaretto. De Serrano, I think is what it's called, but I'm just using some other generic brands here. It's a layered shot, so if you do it well, you'll see distinct lines between the different layers. So first you'll layer, it's a third of a shot of each, about a half ounce of each. So first you'll take your coffee liqueur, layer it nice and put it in there nice and slow. Next one is the Amaretto. Now you can pour over the back of a spoon if you like. And that's not like, yeah, it's kind of getting there. And your Irish cream or your Bailey's. You're gonna have to do it pretty slow. And there you go. If you work in a busy bar, you might just take the shaker and shake it and pour it in a shot and move on to the next customer. But typically that's how you're supposed to make it. So that's a B-52 shooter. This was named after the Boeing B-52 bomber, I believe. But again, the B-52 shooter. Again, I'm Ed with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.